Welcome to England Now 7, where today we uncover one of the most explosive political stories shaking the heart of Britain. A growing wave of fury has erupted as hundreds of British veterans take to the streets of London, their message loud and clear. They feel betrayed by the very government they once served with honor and pride under Labour leader Keir Starmer. The government now plans to scrap the 2023 Legacy Act, a law that prevented new investigations into the events of the Troubles in Northern Ireland, a law that gave peace to families and protection to veterans now under threat. Labour claims the law is unpopular with Irish parties and victims groups and says it violates the European Convention on Human Rights reported by the Telegraph. But the backlash has been swift and fierce. Former British Army Colonel Tim Collins, known for his iconic speech before the Iraq War, says Keir Starmer is standing on the wrong side of history. Collins was present in Parliament to hear the Prime Minister respond, and what he heard shocked him. Conservative MP Sir David Davis warned that veterans will be sacrificed to politically motivated lawyers trying to rewrite history with lies if this law is removed. Collins wrote in the Telegraph that the Prime Minister was frivolous, even disdainful, dismissing the pain and loyalty of those who served, and accusing MPs of playing politics while ignoring the seriousness of the issue. Before we go further, we want to hear from you. Do you believe this is about justice or a betrayal of those who risked their lives for peace? Comment below and subscribe. If you want the truth without filters, veterans like Keith Keight, who served 5 years in Northern Ireland, said this move is nothing but a stab in the back. He questioned why terrorists were released under the Good Friday Agreement. While British soldiers now face trials, Keight told the Telegraph, he simply cannot understand why there is no line being drawn. The Northern Ireland Veterans Commissioner told the Telegraph that up to 70 former soldiers could end up in the dock decades after the events they are accused of, events that took place in the chaos of conflict following orders under extreme conditions. Let us ask you again, if you served your country, followed orders and returned home decades ago, would you accept being dragged into court today? Let us know what you think. Behind the scenes, a power struggle is growing. Reports say the Irish government is pressuring for at least 14 cases to proceed, while the UK Ministry of Defence is resisting, but compromise is expected with weak cases moving forward, regardless of evidence, reported by the Telegraph. So why is this happening? Critics say Keir Starmer wants to appear progressive on the international stage to be seen as confronting Britain's past. Even if that past is being twisted and rewritten, Attorney General Lord Hermer once represented Gerry Adams, leader of Sinn Féin, adding further controversy. Remember, over 90% of killings during the Troubles were committed by illegal paramilitary groups, most of them by the IRA, including many within the Catholic community. Police and British forces were responsible for less than 10%. Nearly all of those deaths happened under strict rules of engagement. When mistakes occurred, justice was served, this, according to official figures reported by the Telegraph. Yet it seems the government is now allowing veterans to be dragged into legal battles while Republicans walk free under comfort letters handed out by the Blair government. Over 200 suspected IRA members were given written guarantees they would not be prosecuted. Soldiers never received such protection. Today, those who serve to prevent civil war and protect the peace are the ones being targeted, while former enemies gain ground with support from taxpayer-funded legal aid. Final question to you, whose side are you on? Will you stand with those who defended Britain or with those trying to rewrite history under the banner of human rights? Is this justice or revenge masked in legal language? Tell us in the comments, like this video, if you believe our veterans deserve better, and subscribe to England Now for real stories that matter. No spin, no games, just the truth. This is England Now, and we are just getting started.